Hey, what's happening, YouTubers? Today we're gonna do something for the summertime. On those hot summer nights, sometimes you just don't get the airflow. For instance, we're out here on the screen porch, and it's a hot summer night. And you'll note by the thermometer it's like 79 degrees. And sometimes we like to come out here on the porch outside and soak up some of nature's air. It's so freaking hot. So, a cheap way to air condition is you get yourself a cooler. Everybody's got one. And then you put some ice in the cooler and some provisions. So, we kill two birds with one stone. You got your cooler full of ice, keeps your beer cold. And then we get this fan from Walmart. It's a battery operated fan. 2-speed. Woohoo! Made by O2 Cool. And the batteries go in the feet. Now this thing folds up like Jesus Christ. You're not doing it. Turn it off. Oh God. Damn it. Oh shit. Oh my God. Do it over. Jesus Christ, that's fucking hilarious.